Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Surya. In this video, we are going to discuss sort in Excel. Sort is used to change the order of the data or to organize the data in Excel. We can sort a text column in alphabetical order, A to Z or Z to a numerical column from largest to smallest or smallest to largest, a date and time column from oldest to newest or vice versa. We can also do a multi-column and multi-color sorting. Let's try it out in Excel. This table contains purchase order data. It has columns, supplier, order number, item number, and so on. Let's sort this supplier column data. For that, we have to select any cell from supplier column. To sort the data in Excel, we don't need to select the entire column. We just need to select a cell of that column that we want to sort. Let's select this cell, right click, and we'll get this sort option and choose the option that we require. We can also go to this home tab and get this option, sort and filter. Here also we'll get various options. We can also go to data tab. Here also we'll get that option, sort. Let's make it A to Z. Here you can see all the data from supplier column has been arranged in alphabetical order from A to Z, and the data from the rest of the columns are sorted with reference to this supplier column. Let's sort this order cost column. For that, select any cell, then go to home, and here you will get sort and filter. Let's make this data arranged in largest to smallest order, and here you can see all the data from order cost column has been arranged from largest to smallest. Let's sort this order date column. For that we have to select a cell, then go to this home tab, then sort and filter. Let's make it sort newest to oldest, and here you go. Let's try multi-column sorting. For that we have to select any cell from the table, then go to home tab, sort and filter. Here you'll get custom sort. Click that option. A dialog box is displayed. Let's sort the data based on supplier and order cost. For that, let's select this sort by supplier based on cell values from, let's make it Z to A. Then add another label, that is order cost. Sort on based on cell values, then order, let's make it smallest to largest, then click OK. Here you can see all the supplier column has been arranged in Z to A order and order cost based on smallest to largest. For easy understanding, let's make this space-time technology supplier name this color, and with reference to this data, let's make this order cost this color. Here you can see each space-time technology supplied order cost has been arranged in smallest to largest. Similarly, you can see the pylon accessories data has been arranged from smallest to largest. Here you can see for each supplier category, the order cost value has been arranged from smallest to largest. Let's try the multicolor sorting. For that, select any cell from item cost, then go to home tab, then sort and filter, then custom sort. Here delete the label, sort by item cost, sort on based on cell color, order. Here you can see there are 4 different colors are available. Let's choose the pink one. Let's select this as a screen one, then click OK. Here you can see all the values of item cost column has been arranged based on the input that we have provided, and rest of the columns are arranged with reference to this item cost column. That's all for this video. Thank you.